Ever felt like you're a jack of all trades but a master of none? If yes, then maybe you're just like me. You are the platypus. And guess what? That's okay. That's totally okay.
Animals here, and everything seems pretty typical. What?
You see, the platypus is weird. It's fascinating creature. It's part of mammal, part of bird, just mix of everything. And honestly, that's how I always feels about myself. I have way too many hobbies. I play Mobile Legend, ROV, Honor of King. I've climbed to the highest tiers, but I'm not a pro player. I can draw, but not beautifully enough to earn a praise. I listen to music, every genre you can think of: K-pop, Chinese, Indonesian, rock, grunge, ballads, opera, J-pop, and even dangdut. I love watching movies, especially gore ones. I read a tarot card, but I'm not psychic. But here's the catch: I'm not great at any of these things. Just always floating, but never diving. Maybe the platypus is just being a platypus, but I wasn't. I don't want to be a platypus. My heart just didn't feel that way, so I called it a curse. I used to think that people who had a passion, nurturing it, mastering it, just they got blessing from God. They know what they're doing, and they know themselves. And me, I don't even know what my passion. But why did I turn into this platypus person? Deep down, because I was scared. It reminds me when I was a kid. I studied so hard, put in all my effort, but still failed because, well, I wasn't that smart. The truth is, the person who I am today is just a reflection of that scared little kid, afraid of what the future holds. But then something changed. I realized that I'm okay. I actually like who I am now, even though I'm not expert in one specific thing. Being jack of all trades and master of none is not a curse. It's just a different way of existing, and that's okay. So the platypus does not have to be anything else, and neither do you. You are the platypus, and that's okay. That's okay.